On the other side of the monument to Columbus is this plaque. It reads, Alentejo, the motherland of the discoveries. It says that on the 28th of October, 1492, Christopher Columbus discovered an island that he named Cuba. There was no other Cuba in the world at the time except this Cuba here in Alentejo, Portugal. But the other sites that he also named in the New World, in the places adjacent to Cuba, had names from the same places that are adjacent to Cuba here in the Alentejo in southern Portugal.
A look at a map of the Caribbean shows this claim to be true. Surrounding the Cuba of the Americas are more than 40 islands and locations with the same name as those adjacent to the Cuba of Portugal. This seems too astounding to be mere coincidence.
You seem to know you're being photographed,
Cuba, Portugal,
rascal.
match those surrounding Cuba in the Caribbean? The explorers consider this to be geographic DNA, on par with human DNA. Powerful evidence that Christopher Columbus was perhaps born in Cuba, Portugal. The mayor of Cuba, João Portuguese, sits down with Evaristo in the village's modest Columbus Museum to back up that
here to
assertion.
watch you.
He begins with ancient history. Cuba, he says, dates from the Roman era.
Thanks for coming back.
Portanto, é muito anterior ao Colombo, a designação. Sim, sim. Portanto, das descobertas de Colombo. E, obviamente, essas próprias descobertas têm subjacentes o nome de Cuba, porque foram encontrados mais de 40 nomes atribuídos por Cristóvão Colombo junto da ilha, não é? Sendo acompanhado aqui com o nome de Cuba.
You just seem to know you're being photographed. All right.